In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to change the leverage inside of Exness. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to exness.com and then log into your account. Now from here, you'll need to go over to the trading section over here in the left-hand menu, and once from here you'll need to go down to My Accounts. Once from here you'll need to find your specific account that you want to change your leverage for, and once you found it, you'll simply need to go over to it and go over to the three dots over here in the right hand corner. Once from here, you'll simply need to click on that, and then you'll need to click Adjust Leverage. Once from here, you'll be able to see that you can adjust your leverage from either a custom leverage or any one of these other ones that Exness supports. But you'll simply just need to click on one and then click Save, like so. And you can also go over and add a custom right here and then add your value if you want to do that. Once from here, you'll simply need to click Next, and then you'll have successfully changed your leverage inside of your account on Exness. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!